Welcome to the channel. I'm excited today because I got glasses, so I can see now. It's amazing what you don't see when you don't have glasses. And now I have glasses, so hopefully, oh, let me take my watch off because I don't like to have jewelry on when I'm doing videos. I like to try not to have too many distractions other than my crazy, horrible fingernails. Okay, so, all right. This one, as you saw in the picture on the thumbnail, a lot of people said, how do you start the first row? So it depends on the height that you want. So what we're going to do is, and I don't know what size I want this to be because a normal coaster, you know, is perfectly square, but if your design needs to be a little more rectangular, a little bit shorter on the top, it's okay. Okay? It doesn't have to be a perfect square, especially for a coaster holder. All right, so maybe I need to zoom out just a tad. Okay, so this is how we're going to start it. So since I don't know what size I want my coaster, this is just a scrap piece that I cut all the little bubblies off the edge. And then we're going to start here because we're going to go straight across. Now, like I said, depending on how you want it to look is how many you're going to go up. So we're going to just go up 3, okay? So we're going to go up 3. Then you're going to go in here. Now, of course, the next one's going to be 4 because the first one was 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you can do this and do the 3 and then 4, 3 and then 4. Or you can go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you want the design to have a little more detail. So it's going to be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3. Now you can either go 4 or you can make an extra little lower one. So we'll try that design. I've never done that before. So we'll leave this one at 3. So we'll have 2 of them at 3. Okay. And then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, where am I at? I am way over here. Okay. And then we're going to do the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do 2 of the 3s. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do another one because we want to make this design a little bit different. See how it goes. So we did the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I don't know if this is the size I want my tissue box. My coaster to be. So I'm going to measure it to one of my normal coasters, and I need to go a few more. So let's go a couple more rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait, we got to do 3. Sorry, bloopers. 1, 2, 3. I always leave the bloopers in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's hard. I'm not used to looking through my mirror, through my phone, through my camera. So my eyes have got to get used to doing that again. All right, let's compare it to our other one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is for now, I'm just gonna remove this one. And the reason why is because we can always add more if we need, because I have the space. So I'm not gonna secure it, but I am gonna just pull it through for now. Okay, that way I'll leave a little sticking out. And then that way, if I need to add more here, I can take it from here or just start a whole new row. Just depends on your preference. Okay, so let me pick a different color to, okay, let's go here. Ooh, let's do orange.